And now we're going to Ngongping, cable car, and the village itself. We're first going to Central Station and then going to the last station, which is Tung Chung Station.
Sa Lantau Island siya.
Nasa Lantau Island. So, diba? Masala ng tour guide. Here's our outfit for today. Oh, diba? Comfy outfit lang tayo for today, guys.
고개를 푹숙인 채 걷네 그냥 난 내 품에 안겨있고 싶은데 날이 서 너의 말들에 찔려서 피가 나서 난 근데 걱정은커녕 혼자 나는 법을 너는 알려줘 그러다가도 헷갈리게 가끔은 예쁨을 내게 줘
The orange lane, Tung Chung line. Hanggang dulo naman to guys, so pwede kami umidlim. Kulang ng tulog yun. Pero, mainit yung weather guys ha. Pero once you enter train stations, like underground, hindi naman siya mainit kasi may aircon sa inside. Guys, we're here at Tung Chung line na. Going to exit this part, exit B para sa Ngongping 360. Makikita nyo guys sa exit B, andun na agad yung City Gate outlet, which is later dadaanan natin or pupuntahan natin after ng destination, first destination natin. So guys, they have A1 bakery here na parang bread to. If you want to grab your lunch or breakfast, you can buy it here. A lot of choices, breads, donuts, and pizza bread na options. So aside from that, may mga drinks din sila inside. So let's have a quick tour inside. Ay, ito pala, cheese bacon pizza bun. And what about you?
Doon, gusto ko yung isa.
It's both $18. Kahit sa dito. Guys, parang mabigat na yung ano nila. May lilim naman na pala dito. Hindi naman ganun kainit. Siguro it's just that nag-lotion or nag-sunscreen tayo. Kasi I think it's far from, ano ba to? From the sea. Kaya hindi malagkit-lagkit
See?
yung air.
Hindi, meron. Nadaanan nga natin kanina eh.
Meron din. Pero hindi siya ganun kalagkit today. Or siguro di pa kasi ako pinagpapawisan. No?
Malamig kasi kanina sa MTR.
Ah. So, andito na tayo. I think we're going up ba? So we're just gonna present our vouchers or our tickets. Parang hindi siya ganun kataas. Or doon pala sa gitna, mataas. Yan.
Tapos yan, 25-minute ride siya.
Expect ko yung country na mapupuntahan ay mabundok. Expect na may cable car.
Ride na kinuha natin is, ano diba? Crystal Cabin.
Crystal papunta.
Same.
Crystal
Back and forth.
papunta, yeah. About to put on paper bracelets. So blue
others.
We're next. So, we have a view sa floor natin since Crystal yung kinuha natin. Actually, may group siya guys. I think it's a different option na if gusto mong solo lang.
Friday.
So I think it's may maliit na parang nagbe-vent ng air. Dito pala bukas. Kaya yung air, pumapasok yung air from the outside. It's a 25-minute ride guys, but the view is really good. Mataas ng pataas. Pero kami kasi wala kami fear of heights. So, ina-enjoy talaga namin yung view. Tsaka, as you can see, napakataas. And then, puro puno ang makikita mo sa baba sa computer. Kaya iniisip ko kung pwede ba mag-stretching dito. Grabe pa. Super, critical lang kalalabasan mo pag sila.
Dapat ata mga 5 or 6 ka lang bumalik na kasi wala nang cable car. So may iwan ka dun sa village nila.
Pero dumating tayo mga 10 something. So, matatapos tayo ng mga. Tsaka hindi nakakapagod yung pag-akyat dito. Kasi hindi ka naman talaga maglalakit. Ayan. Guys, pwede ka naman pala umakyat. Yun nga lang. Super taas. Tsaka abutin ka ng ilang araw siguro. Itong truck na to. For ano lang to. Professional trekkers. Yay! We are already seeing or natatanaw na namin yung Big Buddha. I don't know if you can see it but it's guys. Ayun na. So, mainit-init. So, pahangin muna kami dito sa cable car. Ayan. Yeah, we arrived here at the top, guys. So, yeah, super haba ng lalakarin. I think going to the Big Buddha, pero we'll see. And you can also see your photos here if you want to buy it or not. Here's the map going to the Big Buddha from Ngongping 360. And naka-ready na siya, guys. So, kaya also a blind person can access this one. Let's have a tour here at Ngongping Village. So better have your sunscreen first para at least hindi kayo super itim later and maiwas yung skin nyo from burning. So may mga restaurants ka rin pala na prepare dito. You have your baon, you can eat it here. Meron silang mga spots that you can eat. We have different types of restaurant here. Honeymoon Dessert, Matsuzaka, and they also have gelato. So pagbaba namin, nabulol kami agad kasi yung nag-offer or yung nagsisales dito sa restaurant na to is nagtatagalog. And mainit sa labas. Well, dito naman kasi inside it's naka-aircon. So this is a Japanese restaurant, Matsuzaka Express, and we ordered ramen and then isang Oreo shake at the time, milkshake. And we're just waiting for the food.
Dito yung mga parang mga movie sa Ghibli Studios.
Before, yeah. Japanese style talaga siya. It's
Japanese tea.
Yun nga lang, ang price ng isang ramen is nasa 100. Thank you. 128 HKD. And then yung drinks is nasa 50 to 55 HKD.
Good for, parang good
Yeah, and good for 2, pwede nang mag-share.
Ito siya guys.
Here's the food. Thank you. Yan, ang bait nila guys. They're very accommodating here.
Oo nga, no? Iba kasi natin.
Oo, nag-o-offer pa talaga sila and they told us na, di ba yung iba kung gusto kong kitaan, so kailangan tig-isa yung order. Ang sinabi sa amin, pwede na kayong mag-share sa dalawa.
Kasi malaki naman yung sila.
Yeah, totoo nga naman, malaki na yung order. Ang sulit naman. You're not taste it lang. Yung soup, dito na lang tayo may go.
Diyan lang, kaya na natin hindi naman kailangan. Ako nang
Taste natin yung soup mula na lang. This is tonkatsu ramen. Ang sarap guys. Ramen na ramen. So this is gonna be our lunch now. Crab. Crab to, diba? So here's the tonkatsu meat, no? Put kikoman.
Tignan mo nga dito. Lagay ko yun. Nasa kikoman na yun. Ito yung paminta.
We're just done eating here at this restaurant. All of the people there, their staff, are very accommodating. So I highly suggest you guys to have your lunch or your meal here. The weather here is hot, pero sinasamahan naman ng hangin. And meron sila ditong mga souvenir shops here, guys.
Ako ko yung canvas na ano.
Ayan, magti-TikTok ba sila? Charot. Eh, kasi wala tang TikTok dito sa kanila, di ba? Yeah, I think photo. Pero nagtingin kasi tayo kahapon. I mean, kagabi sa Mongkong Station.
Mongkok.
Mongkok. Mongkong.
Kaya mo yun.
Sorry na. Ang mahal ng ano nila. Ito, tripod. Nasa 100 plus or nasa, yung iba nasa 235 HKD. So, tama na. Mamaya tayo kumain. Ayan yung view, guys. So, yes. Yay! We're here now. Taking photos and we don't like to go up. Actually, we don't like to go up na. It's too high kasi. It's super init. And may mga pupuntahan pa kami and I think we got the photos that we like na. So, ayun, marami pa rin nakikipagsapalaran sa taas. Pero kami dito, mag-TikTok na lang.
Ano yung nagbabadya?
Nagbabadya. Ang sakit ang tiyan ko, guys. Yung hangin kasi, alam niyo yun, yung feeling na pawis na pawis ka, tapos biglang hahangin, tapos iinit. Yung tiyan ko tuloy mukhang mag-aalborot. Kaya yung lakad namin unti-unti lang, guys. Kasi kung magbabalik pa kami doon sa pa-CR, lalakad na naman kami papunta dito, so mainit. So titiisin ko na lang. Ay, Pero maganda, maraming plants sila dito. Stay tayo dito. Gusto ko sa lahat na makita may upuan. Gusto ko magpahinga. Punta tayo sa monastery nila. Mas marami pa rin pupunta doon sa may Buddha eh. Kaysa dito. Kasi yun yung sikat, di ba? Energy, positive energy.
Everything mundane, you make it harder to explain. Take all my ego and my pride, my issues aside. I'm going to fight and lose you by my side, baby. It's a seven seas, no sheets, all of it.
We're going back na guys. Okay. Nakakapagod pero enjoy siya. Now, solo namin ang cabin. Crystal cabin. Pakita mo ang baba. Yes. Kasi nagbayad kami ng mahal. Charot. I think pagpabalik naman na kasi, hindi na sila ganun kahigpit. Like, di kasi ganun kadami yung pila, yung volume dito compared sa papunta pa lang. Meron nga pa isa-isa, meron dalawa, meron by group or by family lang. And every weekdays, 6 p.m. sila nagko-close. Every weekend, 6:30. So, kung gusto nyo hindi kayo masaraduhan, before 6 or siguro 5, dapat naka-ready na kayong pumila. Hindi na ganun kahangin ngayon or dahil siguro sa time.
Compared kanina.
Compared kanina, mahangin guys. Kasi hindi na ako dito sumasakit siya. Okay na. Ito, pwede ka nga dito mag-TikTok o humiga-higa eh. Oh, wow! Diba? Para kaming floating humans. Ang ganda guys. Ang sarap mag-emote-emote dito. Kami pang naiwan dun guys. It's just that nauna lang kami kasi may pupuntahan pa kami and we want to freshen up and rest first. So, sabi nga ni Kuya JM, ang aking favorite na vlogger, every time you travel anywhere, okay lang naman na makarami sa isang araw, pero still don't forget to rest. Dapat meron pa ring gap between your trips or your destinations na pahinga. We're done with Gongping 360. So now we're here at the City Gate outlet. You can locate it beside the escalator once na paggaling sa Gongping in cable car terminal. Ando na yung entrance sa gilid na City Gate outlet, which is a mall. Pwede ka pumasok dito pag marami kang sasakay. Hindi dito sundan ng sales para makatingin ka ng video. Dito naman for sale, IT outlet. Currently looking for pasalubong or for us have clothes. Dito kami sa outlet, which is ang dami niyang designs na maganda. Finger X, French finger Crocs, and more. Yung mga meron dito yung mga parang big size or oversized clothes, t-shirts, and then pwede rin siya pang boys, pwede pang girls, cargo pants, and may crop tops din. Parang Uniqlo ang peg niya na may pagka H&M. Sa Bath and Body Works. Next stop, Nike. They said that it's more cheaper here. Nung bumili ako kanina, some body wash from Bath & Body Works, wala daw tax dito sa Hong Kong. That's why mura ang kanilang shoes here. Here are the other brands. Actually, mag-shopping, sale sa Hong Kong. And we're going back to Tung Chung Station and then go back to our hotel, which is at Central Station. This is one of the famous food restaurant. Dito na pwedeng mag-take out or pwedeng kainin. Cafe de Coral. Na mura lang. So, nag-take out muna kami para din kakainin namin sa hotel. Wow! Okay. So, we got our orders now. Ang dami na guys for only 57 HKD. So, pwede na kami maghati dito. Actually, ang kasama lang sa package is yung noodles and chicken. So, nag-add and drinks. So, nagsama lang kami ng rice which is worth 10 HKD. Yeah. It's the continuation of our day. Going to TST. We are heading to the Symphony of Lights. So after namin maligaw kanina sa IFC Mall, makaidlip or makapagpahinga, here we are guys. We're going to have our night trip with my sister. Good ka na ba? Ang daming ganap today guys. Puro nagsakitan yung tiyan namin. We don't know why. It's connected sa train station. So that's why mabilis lang siya makita ang museum. And going to the right, dyan ang Legoland. Kahit hindi malamig ang gabi, basta may gala. Guys, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya, may Prudential PLC dito.
It's been 3 years and 6 whole months since I saw your face that night. It took 5 seconds to fall in love and 2 more to make you mine. Now it's 4 in the morning, sunset and 7 minutes with you and it's heaven. Ain't an hour that rolls by. I love you 24/7, 365. Give you my name if you wanted to. Key to my heart if you wanted to. And I hope and I pray that you stay right here till we're old and gray in our last few years. I'm on a knee, I just need a yes. A couple kids and a picket fence. Share the memories like an open book. Every page I read has still got me hooked, and I'm fine spending my whole life on everything you like. Is it obvious that all of this is right? 'Cause it's been 3 years and 6 whole months since I saw your face that night. It took 5 seconds to fall in love and 2 more to make you mine. Now it's 4 in the morning, sunset and 7 minutes with you and it's heaven. Ain't an hour that rolls by.
Parang lang, hindi ko ko napaghandaan yung outfit. Kasi hindi ako masyadong nag-aral. Yung tour guide, sorry. Sister ko kasi gumawa ng itinerary. Pero naaalala ko tong area na to, na dito mostly nagtitake ng photos yung tourist, like yung mga Instagrammable posts. And sayang lang talaga hindi ako nakapag-prepare ng outfit. Pero I think it's better to morning para at least nakikita yung outfit and then yung iba-ibang style ng photoshoot. And itong building na to guys, ito yung Hong Kong Cultural Center. Oh, visit na kayo guys. Tapat lang niya yung kung saan nag-present or nag-show yung Symphony is Life. So, all-in-one attraction na siya in one place. Okay, dito yung Star Ferry Center. You can buy your tickets there and meron silang photo ops. And here, may Blue Life UK dito. Itong building na to, which is pakita ko yung pictures niyo later. Ito siya. Kahit saan talaga sinusundan mo ako. Uuwi din po ako, mag-i-insure pa. Hindi po ako magstay dito. Blue Life UK. Ito yung part pa rin to ng Cultural Center.
In another life, could fall in love, have it all, and chase our daydreams. But here we are, sat across from one another train.
Decided to go back to our station, next Central Station, and doon na lang kami mag-ikot. Since meron pa kami nakaschedule tomorrow na Hong Kong Disneyland, which is gusto namin i-take yung time na yun the whole day para marami kaming energy. And then syempre ma-enjoy namin yung pinaka-game namin ng bata pa kami. Ayan, so hindi namin naususunod namin na double order namin ng chicken fillet burger, something like that. Kaya paurin na lang namin tomorrow. And then, ayan, mag-stroll around na lang kami sa Central Station. And dalawang stations na away lang naman kami. We're here now sa Central Station. Strolling around near our hotel. Most of the shops here are closed na since almost 10 PM na. May bukas lang sila pero closed na mismo yung store. May Five Guys dito. McDonald's. Ayan, sana pang maraming branches ng kada station. Diyan kami bumili ng mga pangbigay or pampasalubong, skincare products. Mura lang dyan guys. Pumasok lang kami para magpalamig kasi nakabili na kami sa isang branch ng Langfang. Malaki siya, may second floor. Ayan, bumili tayo ulit. Bibili tayo ulit ng Tiger Balm since hindi ko alam kung sumpungin na naman tayo ng sakit ng likod sa Pilipinas. Nagpabulol na naman tayo parang Watsons lang. And yeah, I think ito na lang muna yung bibili natin.